everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you want to update your hotspot password and keep your Wi-Fi secure, in this video I will show you step by step how to change your hotspot password on any Android phone. So open your phone settings and find this option called Connections or Network and Internet. The name can vary depending on your phone. Scroll down and select Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. Toggle on this mobile hotspot button. For that, my Wi-Fi needs to be turned off. So tap turn off. Now tap on mobile hotspot. Scroll down and look for password. Simply erase the old password and type the new one. Make sure it's at least 8 characters long. Once done, tap save to confirm. Now your hotspot will require the new password whenever someone tries to connect, and that's it. That's how you successfully change your hotspot password on Android. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.